My group is the Neuropsychiatry Imaging Lab, and we focus on research in schizophrenia, mood disorders, post-traumatic stress disorder, and pervasive developmental disorders like autism, for example. And so this particular tool is going to be, first, my goal is to find funding to conduct studies in schizophrenia, where we will both be able to detect abnormalities in glutamate metabolism using MR spectroscopy, so that's an MRI-based technique, and simultaneously detect dopamine using PET, which is a positron emission tomography, which can follow concentration of dopamine, for example, as we inject a tracer, radioactive tracer, into the patient that will bind to dopamine receptors. In very subtle changes of the brain caused by psychiatric disorders. In MRI, we detect signals that are of very low intensity. We need to measure voltages that are in the range of nanovolts, and so to do that we need detecting elements that are very, very close to the head. In a PET MRI scanner, we're trying to detect radiation that is coming out of the patient at the same time as those MRI signals that are coming out. And so we need to minimize the amount of material that is in the way of the PET radiation. 32-channel PET MRI coil. This is our new device that is now available for sale as a product, and it can be used for simultaneous PET MRI, and it was designed prospectively to do that.